trying the crumble cookies of the week and giving them a rating. Yo, 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 yo. Someone already tried this, but here I go. I just know I'm not gonna like this one. It's peach sugar. Ugh. That is literally the worst thing I've ever had in my life. I don't even want to swallow it. Okay, only can go up from here, right? I'm gonna go for this one. It's a pumpkin roll. Pumpkin roll. Oh god, that was so bad. I don't even like pumpkin. The frosting's great. I'm not crazy about the bottom part. 8 out of 10. No, 6 out of 10. Halloween themed vanilla sugar. Chilled. That's really fire. Actually incredible, actually. 9.2 out of 10. I love these animal crackers. Oh! That's like crunchy, and I love a crunchy cookie. Oh my god. 9.5 out of 10. Semi-sweet chocolate chip I already know I love. Oh! 9 out of 10. Dirt cake. Last one, I think it'll be my favorite. It's literally incredible. 9.77 out of 10.